This is a short descriptive video of a rhythm flip clock. It's not actually designed by Rhythm. This flip clock was sold under different brand names, one of them being Meister Anker, sold in Germany. This is the Rhythm version. It's basically the same clock, just under a different brand name. It's made of plastic. It's got the spinning wheel, I don't know if you can see it. So it's rather silent. It's got an alarm. Just try and set it. There you go. That will wake you up, I guess. It's in. There are no damages. Nothing. I mean, nothing is broken. There's some heat damage here. It's very mildly. Nothing serious. And it's complete. Of course, nothing's missing. Heat damage there. That's about it. It's slightly discolored, as with most white clocks from that area. Nothing broken off. Original price tag is there, $59.50. Whatever currency that may have been in. This is the label. So nice clock all in all, and working like a charm. And I forgot to mention it, of course. Backlight is working. Thank you for watching.